Hello students, so now we will solve question number 10 exercise 8a, and here what is given is what? Cos theta equal 12 by 13. So we already know cos theta is nothing but what? We have cos theta is base, so base we write with b, base by what? Hypotenuse. So hypotenuse we'll write with h. Let us draw a right angle triangle. Okay, we'll draw a right angle triangle. Since it is given theta, so I'll mark here theta. Opposite to theta is what? Perpendicular. So this is perpendicular. This is 90-degree right angle triangle we are drawing. A, B, C. So opposite to 90 degrees is our hypotenuse. So perpendicular we have to find. Yeah, this one we have to find. Then what? Hypotenuse we know already 13. How much? Hypotenuse 13. And base, how much we have? Base is 12. So same thing we will do like previous question. What we write? We write using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So which one is hypotenuse? This one. So I will write hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse we know how much here we have. It is 13. Okay, hypotenuse we have 13. So we'll write 13 square is equal to perpendicular we have to find. So p square plus base is how much here? Base is 12. So we have 12 square. Take this side, 13 square we have 169. P square will be p square, 12 square 144. So I will take 169 other side and p this side. So p I will take other side, so minus p, yes. Then 169 will come this side, so it will be minus 169 plus 144. So minus p square. Yes, minus in 9 minus 4 it will be 5, 6 minus 4 it will be 2, and so 25 we are getting here, and sign will be minus because 169 is greater. Both side minus, I am cancelling it, so p square I will take other side, so it will become root 25. Root 25, all of you know it will be what? We have 5. So perpendicular, this value we have obtained 5. Now let us solve this one. So we have to show that this is equal to this. So I will take this one LHS side. LHS we have what? Sine theta equal, here we have here tan theta. So sine theta we know, yes, sine theta is you have to remember sine theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular what we have? We have 5. Hypotenuse how much we have? 13. Then bracket I will write into tan theta. Tan theta again, tan theta you already know, yes. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So tan 5 and base, yes or no? 12. So you already know 5 into 5 will be 25 and 12 into 13. So multiply 12, 13 into 12, how much? 12 into 2 it will be 26, and 1 3 are 3, 1 1 are 1. So 6 5 1. So we got 156. So see, we got the RHS. So we'll write LHS equal to, here we got RHS. Same value, no, like RHS. So we'll write, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. And what we'll write here, we have question is so I will write shown. Yes, it is shown. Okay, so question number now 10-2. What is given here? It is given cot theta is given. Cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So cot theta we know that it is nothing but base by what? It will be base by hypotenuse. So again I will draw the right angle triangle. Always draw the right angle triangle. And name according to your choice. I will always name A, B, C. Everybody can do. Yes, A, B, C. So here is nothing but theta. Opposite to theta is what? Opposite to theta is perpendicular. Opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. So see base. So remaining side will be base. So base how much we have? Base we have 1. Hypotenuse we have root 3. And perpendicular again we have to find. Yes. So cot theta, it is not cos. Yes. So let us correct it. It is what? Cot theta. So I write cot theta is nothing but what? Base by what? Base by perpendicular. Okay. So base we got 1, perpendicular we got root 3. So this one hypotenuse we need to calculate. This value we need to find now. Okay, so using Pythagoras theorem, again we write using Pythagoras Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. Yes, so you know that Pythagoras theorem is nothing but hypotenuse square. So h square equal to perpendicular square. So like p square, p for perpendicular plus base square. So now put the value h we have to find. H is not given, so I write same h square. P we know how much, root 3 square. Then plus b also we know how much, 1 square. So h square will be h square, root 3 square is root 3 into our square, root cancel like that. Also you can do 3 plus 1 square will be 1. So h square equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. Take a square that side, so it will be yes, root over 4. So root 4, you know it will be how much? Root 4 is nothing but what? 2. So we got h how much? Here we h we have obtained 2. Now let us show this. So we write LHS side first. LHS equal to how much we have? 1 minus cos square theta by 2 minus cos square theta. So here in the beginning, yes, I told you, yes, cos theta, not cot. Cos theta is what? Base by hypotenuse. So base, we know how much is base. Base is 1. Hypotenuse is how much? 2. So this value I will substitute here. So it will be what? 1 will be 1 minus, at place of cos, I will write what? 1 by 2 and square. So square will be square. Here 2 will be 2. Then what? Minus cos. So 1 by 2 square. So 1 will be 1, 1 square will be 1, 2 square will be 4. Here also same thing, 2 will be 2, 1 square will be 1, and 2 square means 2 2s are 4. Take the LCM as numerator part, so nothing here means 1 we consider, 1 and 4. So LCM of 1 and 4 will be 4. 1 4 are 4, so here will be 4 minus 4. 1s are 4, so 1 will be 1. Here also same thing, nothing means 1, so we'll take LCM of 1 and 4 will be 4. 1 4s are 4, so 4 2s are 8 minus 4. How many times 4? 1 1s are 1. So next it will be what? 4 minus 1, it will be 3 by 4 here. 8 minus 1 will be 7 by 4. So next step you can write 3 by 4. This by you can write into, so this will be reciprocal. 4 by 7 cancel, 4 4 cancel. So it will be 3 by 7 equal to RHS. Yes, so we got 3 by 7. Yes, RHS will write. Therefore, at the end, LHS is equal to RHS, and we have to write what? So it is already we have shown. Okay, now we'll move to next question. Okay, so in question number 10, 3, it is given what? It is given again. We have what? We have sec theta is equal to 13 by 5. So again, sec theta we know that opposite inverse of cos theta. So we know that cos theta is nothing but what? Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So sec will be opposite of this, so it will be hypotenuse by base. So here I can write hypotenuse by base. Then again we'll draw the right angle triangle. Yes, A, B, C. So opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. Opposite, here we are taking opposite to theta is perpendicular, and remaining side will be base. Remaining side will be base. Okay, let us see. So hypotenuse we have 13. Hypotenuse is what? 13. Base is what? 5. What will write? Same thing, using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So we have a triangle. What will write? Same thing here. Yes, hypotenuse square is equal to, yes, hypotenuse, h4 hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Substitute the value. So hypotenuse we have 13. We'll write 13 square equal to perpendicular. We have to find out. And base is what? Base perpendicular we will write p. and base we have the value how much 5 square. 13 square means 13 into 13 it will be 169. P square will be P square and 5 square will be 25. Bring this side so it will be 169. 25 will come this side minus 25 equal P square. So 169 minus 25 will be 144 P square. Square take that side so it will be root over 144 P or 144 what you can write? You can write it 2L into 2L. Yes, P, or you can write 2L equal P perpendicular or P equal to 2L. So from here we have got the value of what? We have got the value of 2P, that is 2L. Let us calculate this one now. We'll take LHS. So LHS is what? LHS is here. LHS is here 2 sine theta minus 3 cos theta by what? Student, what we have here? So we have 4 sine theta then minus 9 cos theta. Then let us substitute the value. 2 will be 2. Okay, you will see here sine theta is nothing but what? Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So P is how much here? P is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. Similarly, we have cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So base is how much here? You see 5 and hypotenuse we have 30. Okay, so 5 by 13. Now let us put here 2. At place of sine theta, we will put the value into 12 by 30. Minus 3 will be 3 at place of cos theta. We know that cos theta is what? Base. So base we have 5 and hypotenuse 13. So it will be 5 by 13. Similarly, at the denominator 4 will be 4 into sine theta. So it will be perpendicular. We have 12 by hypotenuse we have 13 minus 9 will be 9 into cos theta. So cos is base will be 5 because theta is base. So base by hypotenuse 13. Let us take the LCM. Before that, we'll multiply 2 into 2L, it will be 24 by 13 minus 3 into 5, 15 by 13. Okay, denominator we have 4, 12 into 4, 48 by 13 minus 9 into 5, 45 by 13. So take the LCM here, it will be 13. Yes, 13 1 ja 13, so 24 will be 24 minus 13 1 ja 13, so 15 will be 15. Okay, again same thing here, it will be 13, so it will be get 48 minus 45. So again same thing here, we'll get 24 minus 15, so it will be I think 9 by 13 by here a 3 by 13. Next step, write 9 by 13. This by sign I am writing into, so this will be reciprocal 13 by 3. 13 13 cancel, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So 3 by 1 will be 3. Okay, so 3 equal to what? Equal to RHS. So we'll write what? Yes, we got LHS is equal to RHS, and we'll write yes shown. So we are done with question number 10, subdivision 3. Okay, so come to now question number 11. So question number 11 and subdivision 1. Here it is given what? Given tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. So we know that tan theta is nothing but what is here? See, tan theta is perpendicular by base. So we write P by B, P for perpendicular, B by base. Always draw a right angle triangle. I said already. Yes, I will name it A. I will name it A, B, C. This is theta. So opposite to theta is perpendicular and opposite to 90 degrees is what? Hypotenuse. So perpendicular we got already. How much we got? 1, and hypotenuse is not here, but base we have. Base is how much? Root 7. Now what we write? Using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem in triangle and triangle ABC. So this is a triangle ABC. What we'll write? We'll write H square is equal to P square plus B square. We have to calculate H. So H square will be H square. P we know already how much? 1. So 1 square. B how much? Root 17. Root over 17. So here also root over 17. And a square is there. So write a square and root I have cancelled. So H square will be 1 square will be 1 and 7 will be 7. So H square will be how much? 1 plus 7 will be 8. So H will be what? Root over 8. And root over 8, what we can write? See here, 8 we can write 2. So it will be 4. Again 2, 2. So I can write H. It will be 2 square into 2. So 2 is having a square, so I will take it outside. So if a square and root you can understand like this, so square and root I cancel, means these two can come out from the root. Yes, so this will be what? 2 root over 2. So H we got how much? 2 root over 2. Let us see. Yes, we will we can prove LHS equal to RHS or not here. So hypotenuse we have obtained. Now what we will write? We will write here LHS. So LHS is what? LHS we have cosec square theta minus sec square theta by cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Put the value cosec, we know that what? Cosec is nothing but what? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. So hypotenuse we have 2 root 2 by perpendicular. Yes or no? Hypotenuse by perpendicular, so 1 minus sec square is what? So see here, sec square is nothing and square is there, so I'll put a square. Then sec it hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse again 2 root 2 by base is what? Root say over 7 square by denominator. Same thing we will put. So it is because cosec square, so we'll write 2 root 2 by, yes, hypotenuse by perpendicular. So square plus sign, you will write plus. Then what? Sec. So sec again, it is what? Hypotenuse. Sec hypotenuse by base. So it will be 2 root 2 by base, you know it will be root over 7 and a square. So let us simplify it. If we'll simplify, we'll get 2 square will be 4. Root 2 square will be 2 by 1. Yes. Root 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2 by 1. Minus here 2 square will be 4 again. Root 2 square will be 2. And root 7 square will be 7. Then again same thing here, 4. 2 square will be 4, root 2 square will be 2, and 1 will be 1 square will be 1 plus 2 square will be 4, root 2 square will be 2, then 7. So here 4 2s I will get 8 by 1. 4 2s are 8 by 7 here. So 8 by 1 plus, yes, 8 by 7. Take the LCM. So LCM here will be 1 and 7. So 7. 1 7 is 7. So 8 7 ja 1 7 is 7. So 8 7 ja 56. Minus 7. How many times? 7 1. So 8 1 ja 8 by. Again same thing here. It will be 7 by 56 plus 7 1 ja 7. So 8 will be 8. So here also it will be 8. Let us solve it. So it will be 57 and 7 directly I will cancel. So it will be 56 minus 8. So 16 minus 8 will be 8 and here will be 4 48. Here 8 plus 6 4 and here 5 1 6 64. Let us cancel first with what? 4. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Here also 4 1 ja 4. So 2 4. So how many times? 6 times. Then 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. So 3 by 4 equal to RHS. Yes or no? 3 by 4 we got. What will write? We will write shown. Yes, or you can write LHS is equal to RHS and you can write shown. So this is the solution for question number 11.1 we have proved. Okay, so we'll see now question number. Yes, it is 11, I think, and it is 11 2. Question number 11 2. So here we have tan theta equal to a by b. So I will write tan theta equal to a by b, and I will take it equation 1. Okay. Now I will take the LHS. LHS is equal to a sine theta minus b cos theta by, it will be a sine theta plus b cos theta. Next step, I will divide both numerator and denominator by what? By sine theta. So here I will write first numerator a sine theta minus b cos theta, and I will divide with this one with what? With sine theta, yes, or cos theta. So let us divide it with cos theta. Here, yes, same thing. I write denominator first, a sine theta plus b cos theta, and divide it with cos theta. What we'll write here? We'll write dividing in bracket, dividing both numerator numerator and denominator. You will write denominator by what? By cos theta. Okay, we have divided here, if you will see, but here also this numerator we are writing and dividing with cos, by cos. Denominator also we are writing and dividing by cos. Next step, this cos is dividing this one also and this one also, so I will separate it. What I can write? I can write here a sine theta by cos theta, and minus, here also I will write b cos theta by cos theta. Denominator also, this will divide this one and this one. So it will be what? It will be a sine theta divided by cos theta, plus it will be b cos theta by divided by cos theta. So let us cancel. So cos theta and cos theta cancel, cos theta and cos theta cancel. So next step I can write, after this you will see here. So it will be a will be a. You already know sine theta by cos theta is nothing but what? Tan theta. Those who don't know, they have confusion, they will write down this formula in bracket. Since sine theta by, write down sine theta by cos theta is nothing but what? We have tan theta. Okay, this one called question formula. So we have sine theta by cos theta, I wrote it tan theta. Minus will be minus, b will be b. Same thing here, a will be a sine theta by cos theta, I can write it tan theta. Then what I will write? Plus b will be b. Next step you will see here. So it will be a will be a. Put the value of tan theta. What is the value of tan theta? It is a by b. So I will write here a by b minus b. Same thing here, a will be a, and tan theta is nothing but a by, tan theta is nothing but a by b. You can see here. So it will be a by b plus b. Now multiply a into a, or mention here using which equation? Using equation 1. Okay, using equation 1. So it will be a into a will be a square by b minus b. Then a into a will be a square by b plus b. Nothing here means 1, nothing here means 1. So take the LCM. If you take the LCM of b and 1, it will be b. So b divided by b will be 1. 1 into a square will be a square, minus 1 dividing b will be b. B into b square will be b square. Again here, b and 1. LCM of b and 1 is what? It will be b. Okay, b dividing this LCM b, so it will be 1. 1 into a square will be a square, plus, yes, 1 dividing this b will be b. B into b square will be b square. So this b and b we can cancel, so it will be a square minus b square by a square plus b square. I can write equal to RHS. Yes, you write therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and what you will write? You will write shown. Yes, so this is the solution of question number 11, subdivision 2. So now question number 12 one. What is given here? It is given cot theta. Cot theta at place of theta A is given. Okay, 3 by 4. So again cot theta we know. What is cot theta? So cot theta is nothing but what? It is base by perpendicular. So base I am writing B, perpendicular B. Again draw a right angle triangle and you will name it A, B, C. And this is theta, so opposite to theta is perpendicular, and this is 90 degrees, so opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. So we got base 3, so this will be base 3. Okay, and perpendicular how much? We have 4. So base 3 and perpendicular 4. We write same thing using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So let us use the Pythagoras theorem. So you know that Pythagoras theorem say h square equal to p square plus b square. So h is nothing but h we have to calculate. So p how much we have? 4. So we'll write 4 square. B how much we have? 3. So we'll write 3 square. So h square will be h square. 4 square will be 4 4s are 16, 3 square, 3 3s are 9. So h square will be h, 6 plus 9 it will be 25. So we got here 25. A square will go that side, so it will be root over 25. So root 25 will be nothing but what? It will be 5. Next, what we can write here, we'll take LHS. So LHS is here root over sec, root over sec A minus cosec A by sec A plus cosec A. So before that you already know what we know here. We know that sec A is nothing but inverse of cos. So cos is base by hypotenuse, so it will be hypotenuse by base. Next, cosec, we know that cosec is inverse of sine, so it will be what? Sine, we know that it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So cosec will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. So sec, put the value. So sec value will be here 3. Yes or no? Hypotenuse. So hypotenuse we have calculated. Yes, how much? 5. So it will be 5 by base is how much? Then cosec we know that it will be what? It will be base. So base it will be cosec. Cosec is nothing but what? It is hypotenuse by perpendicular. So it will be how much? Yes, hypotenuse we have what? 5 and perpendicular we have what? 4. Yes, so 5 by 4. Let us try to put this value here. So if you put this value, so root over will be root over sec. Again, sec, I will remind you, sec is what? Hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse is 5 by base is how much? 3 minus cosec, again inverse of sine. So sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it will be hypotenuse by perpendicular means 5 by 4. Okay. Yes, now next denominator also same thing, and this is big. Yes, root over is here like this. So we'll write same thing, 5 by 3 plus here will be what? Here will be 5 by 4. Take the LCM. So LCM again it will be what? How much? LCM of 3 and 4 I am getting 12. So 3 4 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20. Again 3 how many times 12? 4 4 5 ja 20 minus 4 how many times 12? 3 3 5 ja 15. Next denominator also same thing. I will 3 and 4 LCM will be 12. So 3 4 ja 12, 4 5 ja 20 plus 4 how many times 12? 4 3, so 3 5 ja 15. So next step I can write. Yes, I will directly cancel 12 and 12. So it will be root over, yes, 20 minus 15 it will be 5. Yes, by nothing but what? It will be 20 plus 15 will be 35. Cancel it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35. So it will be root over 1 by 1 by 7. So root 1 is nothing but 1. Root here 7 will remain same thing. Root 7 equal to RHS. So we have proved. Yes, we'll write. We have shown LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, now we'll go to second question. Okay, so now question number 12, subdivision 2. So here what is given here? Given sine A equal, yes, sine A we have equal to what? Yes, sine A equal to 3 by 4. So here I can write what? I can write it. Yes, it will be sine A. So I will write what here? I will write sine perpendicular by, yes, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So next what we can write, we will draw the right angle triangle. Yes, here will be theta. But this is here, they are not saying about theta. So whenever theta is not there, you can always use this at the place of theta. Means I will take this one A and this one I will take B and C. I am taking like this A, B, C, A, B, C, or you can write A, B, C. So now this is 90 degrees, opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. This will be base, and opposite to this A angle will be your perpendicular. So perpendicular we got 3 and hypotenuse we got 4. So again we will write using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So okay, it will be h square is equal to p square plus b square. So h is nothing but we can write it 4 square is equal to p is what? 3. So we'll write 3 square plus b we have to calculate. So b square. 4 square will be 16. Then what? Here 4 square will be the 16. Yes. And then what? 3 square will be the 9 here. 4 4 is 16, 3 3 is 9 plus b square. So 16, 9 will come this side, so it will be 16 minus 9 equal b square. So 16 minus 9 will be 7b square. Or a square will come this side, so it will be root 7 equal to b, or we can write b equal to root 7. Now take the LHS, so we'll write LHS is equal to root over, it will be cosec square A minus cot square A by sec square what? A minus 1. So again first we'll write the ratio. So we know that cosec is what? Cosec A. So cosec will be inverse of what? It will be inverse of sine. So sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so it will be hypotenuse by perpendicular. Cot is inverse of tan. So cot we know that perpendicular by base. So tan theta is perpendicular by base. So cot will be base by perpendicular. Next sec is inverse of cos. So cos is base by hypotenuse. So it will be hypotenuse by base. We will take the value from this. Yes, so base I will write base how much I got? I got it root 7. Now, so cosec hypotenuse by perpendicular. So hypotenuse we got 4. Perpendicular we got 3. Cot we know that it is base by perpendicular, so it will be root 7 by 3. Next is sec. Sec is hypotenuse by base, so hypotenuse is 4 and base is what? Base is root 7. Let us put that, substitute this value here. So we'll get again root over, yes, cosec square. So cosec square is we have here cosec 4 by 3. So I write 4 by 3 and a square is there. So I write a square minus cot. We have root 7 by 3. So I write root 7 by 3 square is there. So I write it a square. Next is what? Sec. Sec we have what? It is nothing but what? 4 by, here you can see 4 by hypotenuse by base, hypotenuse 4 by root 7. 4 by root 7 square minus 1. So next step I can write root over 4 square is 16, 3 square will be 9, minus root 7 square will be 7 and 3 square will be 9. Then 4 square will be 16 and root 7 square will be 7. Next, minus 1 will be 1. Next step, I can write here root over 9 and 9, so LCM will be 9 and here will be 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. Same thing at denominator, it will be LCM will be 7 and it will be 7, nothing here means 1, 7 1 is 7, so 16 will be 16 minus 1, 7 is 7, so 7 into 1, 7. We got this much. Now equal root over 16 minus 7. So 16 minus 7 will be 9 by 9 here. 16 minus 7. So denominator also same thing. So it will be 16 minus 7 will be 9 by again 7 and root is there. Okay. Now so 7, 9 and 9 cancel. So it will be 1 by 1 and here so I can write root over 1 by 9 and 7. So next step I can write root over 1 into, yes, 7 by 9. So root 7 will be root 7 and root 9 will be 3. So we got the RHS and we will write what? We will write soon. Okay, what we'll write? We'll write soon. So this is the solution of question number 12, subdivision 2.